Is your air conditioner ready for another Greeley summer? At Greeley Furnace Heating and Air, we know how important a reliable AC system is for your comfort, especially when temperatures soar. With over 60 years of experience serving Greeley and northern Colorado, our certified team delivers thorough air conditioning maintenance designed to keep your system running smoothly all season long. Regular maintenance isn't just about preventing breakdowns. It's about saving you money on energy bills, improving your indoor air quality, and extending the life of your AC unit. Our comprehensive service covers everything from cleaning coils and replacing filters to checking refrigerant levels, inspecting electrical components, and lubricating moving parts. We even calibrate thermostats and inspect ductwork for leaks, ensuring every part of your system is in top shape. Scheduling maintenance at least once a year, ideally before the cooling season, means your AC is prepared to handle the hottest days. In Greeley's unpredictable climate, biannual checkups can be even more beneficial, helping your system transition smoothly between seasons. As a local business, we understand the unique challenges our community faces. Our team tailors every maintenance plan to fit Greeley's climate and your specific needs. For reliable, expert AC maintenance, call Greeley Furnace Heating and Air at 970-356-0121 or contact us online today. Stay cool, comfortable, and confident all summer long.